We've all heard about the incredible benefits that come with the right business credit card, from travel or cashback rewards to financing options that can turbocharge your growth. But let's face it, not all credit cards are created equal. In fact, some cards can do more harm than good. Now, welcome back to the Fund&Grow channel, your go-to source for all things business and financing. I'm your host, Zach Ritchie, and today we're diving into a topic that every entrepreneur needs to know: the 4 worst business credit cards right now and why they could be holding your business back. But before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest tips and insights for starting and growing your business. All right, so let's uncover these less than ideal business credit options and ensure that you're making the best choices for your business. Option number 1, Commerce Bank Business Rewards Visa. Now, this card is specifically targeted towards owners with excellent credit that want a straightforward reward system. However, if you actually meet the criteria, you could certainly do better than this card. The rewards are 1 point or 1% cash back on purchases, and you can redeem the rewards for cash back, travel, and gift cards. If you choose cash back, you can only use the amount as a statement credit. Now, their reward terms and conditions state that the maximum number of points that you can accrue during a calendar year is 50,000 points. However, their website states that there is no limit to the points that you can earn. So which is it? Who knows? Now, this rewards card offers fewer benefits than the average business card, but charges 17.65% APR as of this recording. It also offers fewer rewards than many of its competitors, particularly if you prefer points instead of cash. And it only serves those living in Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, Oklahoma, or Colorado. So basically, in a nutshell, this card has minimal benefits and a lackluster rewards program, which is why it made it to this list of low-ranking business credit cards. Now, option number 2, Core Trust Bank Business Platinum Visa. Now, this card may sound familiar if you've been following us for a while, and that's because this card made our business credit card boo-boo lists in the past. But recently, they changed the card name to add Platinum. And guess what? They didn't change anything about the card to make it more enticing. When it comes to business cards, cardholders expect great rewards and flexibility, and this card is just not that. There is still no clear rewards program. The page on the website says that the card offers rewards, but has no information on it. And if you go to the terms of the card, you'll see this. And normally on these term sheets, there will be an entire section about how to accrue reward points, but we don't see that here. However, we did do some deeper digging and found this added into the application now. So basically, if you want to earn rewards with this card, it's optional. You have to pay an annual fee of $19 per card to earn rewards. Or you can choose to not earn any rewards, leaving this card with basically zero benefits. But there are actually other downsides to this card. It charges a 19.24% APR on purchases and balance transfers when you open your account. And after that, your rate will be based on the prime rate, meaning it will likely go up from there. And there's an additional 3% fee on balance transfers, 24.24% APR on cash advances plus the 3% fee. And for a card that has no special introductory or welcome offers and has an optional but still not stellar rewards program, there are just so many better cards out there for business owners, especially if you're comfortable paying an annual fee on top of the normal interest. Option 3, KeyBank Business Rewards MasterCard. Now, at first glance, the KeyBank Business Rewards MasterCard looks like an absolute top-tier rewards card, but a closer look of its rewards program show it's not nearly as generous as it seems. New card holders earn 100,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in the first 60 days. Now, this sounds great until you learn 100,000 points is only worth about $200 cash back. That's not terrible because, hey, it's money you're earning just from spending, but that same 100,000 points will get you much further with other cards available. The card offers 10 points per dollar spent on gas, travel, dining, or telecommunications, and 5 points per dollar everywhere else. Again, it doesn't sound bad, but based on the welcome offer, you need 500 points to get you $1 in rewards. And while there's no limit to how many points you can earn, they do expire after 48 months or 4 years. It also doesn't offer any standard credit card perks, such as car rental insurance and purchase protection. It doesn't have an annual fee, hey! And it's got 0% for 6 months. So there are positives, but less than impressive reward structure and perks are the reason it landed on this list. And number 4, the BP Business Solutions MasterCard. This one may also sound familiar, but it landed on this list because it has earned its spot once again. The first turnoff for this card is that you have to do some serious digging on their website just to get basic information about the card. Hidden on every bottom of the page, I found the terms of the card, and here's the sneaky little details of this BP card. It's not a revolving account. So this card falls more in line with a vendor account. The balance is due in full every single month, and it's only accepted at BP or Amoco stations. So if you fill up at another gas station, there's a $2 fee per transaction. There's also the high credit risk fees. So if they deem you a high risk, you're going to be responsible for a fee of up to 2% of the account's credit limit per billing cycle. Not even how much you spend, but the credit limit. Now, what do they consider high risk? If your business credit score is below 600, if your personal credit score is below 670, and you incur one or more late payments in a 12-month period, or you make a payment not honored by your bank. It's also the added little sneaky thing that they can change the terms of your card at any point if they deem you a high risk. This card also charged a $10 monthly membership fee, and they'll waive the fee if you purchase over 5,000 gallons of fuel in a 1-month period. But it also has outrageous late payment fees. Regular accounts have either a $75 or 7.25% of your balance fee if the percentage is higher. High risk accounts, it's either $75 or 12.25% of your balance. Either way, you're paid at least $75 if you're late. And this card charges fees for a bunch of other stuff, like paper reporting, tax exemption reporting, return payments. The list goes on. So you may be wondering, okay, Zach, there has to be some positives to this card. The only upside to this card is that they boast a rebate offer of up to 7 cents per gallon filled at either BP or Amoco stations. The system is tiered though, so the rebates actually look like this. So you're saving some money, but not a whole lot unless you've got a giant fleet. Overall, there are far better business credit cards out there that offer better gas station rewards. And so there you have it, folks, a rundown of the 4 worst business credit cards currently on the market. And when it comes to choosing the right card, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons, considering what features are essential for your business and which ones you can do without. Regardless of your decision, knowledge is always power. So educate yourself, research thoroughly, and compare different cards to find the perfect fit for you and your business. By the way, if you're interested in diving deeper into the world of business credit cards, we actually have you covered. You can check out our video on how to qualify for top-tier business credit cards, avoid costly fees, and maximizing rewards. You'll find the link in the description below. As always, I'm Zach Ritchie. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you next week for another exciting video. Bye-bye.